illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a sun character. So go ahead and get your paper, your pencils, your markers, crayons, anything that you'd like, and we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our sun character. The first thing we want to do is we want to draw a circle for the center of our sun here. Come up and all the way around. And for our sun rays, we're going to have a little bit of fun here. We're going to do a series of triangle shapes. We're going to vary the length of them though. So we'll start here with a taller one. And we want to continue our way around the circle, but you don't want them all to be the exact same height. So we're just varying here between some long sun rays and some short sun rays all the way around. Little accent interspersed throughout here as well. Very nice. Now this is going to be a pretty sassy sun. So we're going to put some really fun sunglasses on our sun. And we're going to make it so that the face isn't looking directly at us. We're going to add just a little curve here to make it seem a little bit interesting. So we're going to start with an oval shape for the first part of the sunglasses there, followed by the bridge, and then the second lens next to it. And use all right, we're going to add a cool smile here. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our sun character. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our sun characters. The last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. fantastic job today, illustrators. I hope that you all enjoyed drawing your sun characters, and I also hope that I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!